Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can allow users to report inappropriate comments in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on plugins and add a new plugin. And now just right here, save report comments. And you're gonna see here the Xeno report comments. Install, nice, activate it. And then you got it here. And now, from now on, when I'm going to report discussions, here should we be. Yes. Allow comment flagging. Allow your visitors to flag a comment as inappropriate. Save changes. And voila, here we got it. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.